Hi everyone, today we're talking about on how you can use a virtual phone number with WhatsApp. A virtual phone number is a phone number that is not linked to a physical SIM card. This means that you can use a virtual phone number to make and receive calls and texts without having to use your personal phone number. There are a number of reasons why you might want to use a virtual phone number with WhatsApp. For example, you might want to keep your personal phone number private. Or you might want to use WhatsApp with a phone number from a different country. This can be useful for traveling or for business purposes. There are many different virtual phone number providers available. Some popular options include Callmama, TextNow, and Google Voice. Once you've verified your WhatsApp account, you can start using WhatsApp with your virtual phone number. You can make and receive calls and texts, just like you would with a regular phone number. Using a virtual phone number with WhatsApp can be a great way to keep your personal phone number private, or to use WhatsApp with a phone number from a different country. Got questions on how to use a virtual phone number with WhatsApp? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech and communication tips. Callmama, connecting people with loved ones.